Hey, what's up? What's up? Greetings, 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 Halito, Osio, my Briqua. What the deal is? What the deal is? Wagwan. This is Chief Kalinago, man, with a quick video. All right, I'm about to share a little video with y'all. I'm over here in Massachusetts. You know what I mean? Came out here to see my nephew, but I stopped in this restaurant to get like a Caesar salad. But anyway, when I walked in, you know what I mean? I showed, even before any transactions, I make sure I showed the owner, you know, my card. I'm like, listen, I'm American Indian, I'm tax exempt. He was like, great, perfect. So this is the recording that's following this, my voice. You will hear as soon as I walked up, you know, to the counter, you will hear him say, oh, I didn't charge you any taxes. Boom. That's number one. Second, all right, he knows that the original people look like us, but he said, you know what? Here's the amazing thing. The amazing thing he said, right? I was like, do you know that, you know, we are? He was like, yeah, but he was like, well, maybe I've seen them before, but you know what? They don't come in here and identify as who they are. That's the problem. So when I keep telling y'all that everybody know who we are, the problem is you don't let the world know who you are. That's the problem. And another thing he said, well, yeah, they taught us that. How come they didn't teach y'all that? But they taught him that. You see what I'm saying? So brothers and sisters, peep game, man, peep game. The entire world know who we are. We are the only ones that need to wake up, to step up and claim who we are. So that I let y'all know every time, y'all know I do this for real. This is not a game to me, man. You know what I mean? So once again, Chief Kalinago out here in the streets doing it up, all right? American Aborigines stand up, American Indians stand up, feathers up all day. That's all we do. It's our time, all right? And once again, you see, I didn't walk in there looking like a black man. I didn't walk in there looking like an African American. I didn't walk in there looking like a Negro, all right? The picture that's in this video right now, the one that you're seeing right now, that's how I walked in, representing my ancestors. You feel me? Chief Kalinago, I'm out. Peace. It's our time.
No tax.
All right, no problem. So you said you've never seen a real Indian, huh?
No, never.
Never. You've been in this country for 26 years.
26 years, yeah.
Man, so who do you think the real Indians are?
No, you are. I know the original Indian. Like I never see one. Maybe someone came before, but he never introduced himself.
They just don't know, right?
Yeah, I just don't know.
But you know the original Indians look like me, though. Meaning that with the dark complexion.
They look a little different. I mean, from the pictures that we saw, the stuff that we studied for.
Because they show you the native ones, right? The ones that look Caucasian and Mongolians, right?
Exactly.
But they never taught you that I was the original one. Did you know that the original ones look like me?
Kind of.
You knew that, right?
Kind of, yeah.
But they don't teach that. That's the problem.
No, they do.
They do?
No, they do.
Where?
Of course, everywhere.
No.
We all know
because
the original Indian who created this country.
Yeah, but I know. I mean, I know we're the original ones. But what I'm saying is, in the movies, they don't. With the cowboy and Indians, they don't show us looking like me. They show them looking like so-called almost pale white.
Kind of, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Kind of.
But I'm glad you know that the original ones look like me. That's a good thing.
But I'm happy to see you.
You know that 26 years and you haven't seen that, right? Man,
Nice
it's
to
great,
meet you.
man. Thank you. Appreciate
stop
that.
by again, please.
Yeah, my name is Chief Kalinago. Well, I'm from New York, but you know,
from York.
I'm just here to see my nephew.
All right.
So
stop by again before you leave.
I will. I appreciate that. All right. Take
Nice
care. I
to meet you,
appreciate you.
my
Take care.
friend.
All right. Take care. All right. Take care. Yes, please.